Hello once, welcome to Limitless YouTube channel. I am Pratyush Kumar Nayak and today we will discuss chemical bonding. So we have already discussed ionic bonding in my first video and now we talk about some important thing in chemical bonding, that is lattice energy and Born-Haber cycle and Fajans rule. What is lattice energy? The amount of energy released when 1 mole of ionic compound formed from gaseous cation and gaseous anion. So in this process the energy is released and that energy released is called lattice energy, and here the product must be 1 mole, and the sodium metal and chlorine non-metal must be in cation and anion. So heat of formation, the amount of energy released when 1 mole of compound formed from its element in pure and stable state. So here in this process the sodium metal and chlorine non-metal must be in pure state. So the sodium must be in solid and the chlorine must be in gaseous. So the lattice energy and the heat of formation differ from each other. Now one of the most important thing, that the lattice energy can't be calculated in direct. So the lattice energy calculate in multiple step, I mean indirect process. What is that?
What is that process? That process is Born-Haber cycle. So the calculation of lattice energy in Born-Haber cycle. So here you clearly see that the sodium in elemental state, that is in solid state, and the chlorine in gaseous state to form NaCl. In this process the amount of energy released is called del FF, I mean heat of formation. But we know that sodium in cation and chlorine in anion from NaCl, the amount of energy released is called lattice energy, that is U. So in this process Na must be in solid and it converts into Na gas, and in this process the energy is required, that is del H sub, I mean heat of sublimation. In this process we required 108 kilojoule energy to convert sodium solid to sodium gas. Then sodium gas converts to Na plus. That energy is called ionization energy, I mean the amount of energy required to remove an electron from a gaseous atom to form gaseous cation. And then chlorine gas converts to Cl gas. So we required 1 to 2 kilojoule per mole energy. This energy it's del as dissociation, I mean dissociation energy. So here half of the dissociation energy required because half mole of chlorine gas present. So Cl gases converts to Cl minus, and in this process energy is released. So here the negative sign is there. So this energy called electron gain enthalpy, I mean electron affinity. So Na plus and Cl minus is present. So Na plus and Cl minus formed NaCl ionic compound, and here the amount of energy released is called lattice energy, and this is minus 788 kilojoule. And here the negative sign is there. So it's called energy is released. So according to Hess law, it is a law of thermodynamics. So according to Hess law, the energy in one step and the energy in multiple step must be same. So in the first step the del H formation is equal to del H sublimation plus ionization energy, dissociation energy, electron affinity and lattice energy. So here we calculate the lattice energy, and the del F formation is 108 plus 496 plus 122 minus 349 minus 788. So the total is minus 411 kilojoule per mole. So this negative sign means when a ionic compound formed, the blast is occurred. So that blast is the energy released. Fajans rule. One of the most important chapter, most important topic in ionic compound. So what is that? Covalent character in ionic compound. We know that ionic compound is transfer of electron. It means ionic compound formed from transfer of electron. So we know that the cation has positive charge and anion has negative charge. So anion has many electron and the cation has less electron. So the cation positively charged attract anion electron and its shape get deformed. So deformation of electron charge cloud of anion, that is polarizability of anion. So the most important thing is the cation have polarizing power. So the cation which have more polarizing power, more covalent compound formed, and the other part, the anion which have more polarizability, the more covalent compound formed.
So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.